Yo, this is CryptoCrayze, and this is just my quick introduction to my channel, just so you guys get a feel for what we're going to be covering. Um, Realistically, on this channel, we're looking to give you some real good content. So first, we want to be giving you some general trading tips, so that you guys can make sure you get the best trading strategies in place, and that you guys know what you're actually doing when you go out there. Secondly, we want to be able to give you some ICO analysis. So any new initial coin offerings that are going on, any new coins on the block, hopefully we'll be able to provide you some detailed information surrounding, or at least a brief overview as to what we reckon and how we think that coin will progress, and whether it's worthwhile investing in or not. Secondly, I want to give some mini crypto or trading related tutorials, again, just to help you with various things like, what's a stop loss, what's a support resistance line, what kind of trend should you be looking for, and those kind of things to help your trading so that you can make the money. Next, we want to be discussing some other just general crypto news, things that are relevant and current and popping at the moment. And then finally, anything else under the sun. So anything that you guys might want, anything that comes to mind, we might just throw it in there and try and get those things discussed on the channel. And then we can have some nice discussions as well in the comments, I'm sure, and on the channel page. So that said, if you're interested, like, subscribe. If you're not, still like and subscribe, get a feel for what's going on. Then you can always unsubscribe if you're not feeling comfortable or if you don't like it or whatever. But yeah, that's me, CryptoCrayze, just keeping it cryptocurrent. Peace.